Welcome back to Icruz TV, Algebra on the Go. So, ang pag-uusapan po natin for today is quadratic equation solution by completing the square, grade 9 math. So, we will apply a solution by completing the square to solve a quadratic equation. So, example number 1, x squared minus x minus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, so let's start the solution. So, x squared minus x is equals to, so ita-transpose po natin yung negative 3 dito sa right side. So, negative 3 become positive 3. Okay. Then, x squared minus x. Then, mag-add po tayo ng plus sign. Then, after adding the plus sign, kunin po natin yung coefficient nitong x. So, meron po itong 1 na value dito. So, kukunin po natin. So, ikakopy po natin dito. 1, then over 2, then square the results. So, medyo nakakalito po yun dito. Uulitin po natin. Okay, so nag-add po tayo ng plus sign. Then, kinuha po natin yung coefficient ng x. Meron po kasing 1 yan dito. So, ito po yung 1. Then, nagkaroon po tayo ng over 2. So, saan po nakuha itong over 2? So, palagi po kasing may over 2 dito. So, maglalagay po talaga tayo palagi dito ng over 2. Then, i-square po natin yung results. So, palagi din pong i-square ang results. So, ito po yung process, okay, na ginagamit para po mabuo natin yung hinahanap po natin ditong perfect square trinomial dito po sa left side. Okay. So, ulitin po natin. So, nag-add po tayo ng positive. Then, kinuha po natin yung coefficient ng x. So, ito po, kinapin natin dito, 1. Then, nagkaroon po tayo ng over 2. So, palagi po talaga dito may over 2. Then, in-square po natin yung results. So, palagi po talaga nating i-square ang results. Okay? So, tatandaan po natin yan. Then, equals. Okay? So, 3. Then, kung ano po yung in-add natin dito sa left side, i-add din po natin dito sa right side. Okay? So, mag-add po tayo ng plus sign. Then, quantity, 1/2 squared. So, i-add din po natin dito. Okay? So, ayan po, no? Parehas. In-add natin both sides of the equation. Okay? So, ang gagawin po natin, ipapactors po natin itong nakuha nating perfect square trinomial. So, ang factors po nito is quantity x minus 1/2 squared. Okay, so itatanong niyo po, Sir, saan po nakuha yung quantity x minus 1/2 squared? Okay, dito po yan. So, ito po yung first term natin, x squared. So, pag in-extract po natin ito, matitira po dito is x. So, ito po yon, x. Then, yung negative sign dito, kinapi po natin dito, negative sign. Then, ito po is the third term. Ito po yan. Okay, so in-extract po natin yung square root ng quantity 1/2 squared. So, natira po dito is 1/2. So, kinopya po natin dito. Okay? So, saan po nakuha yung quantity x squared naman po? No? I mean, itong squared. Okay? So, dito po yan galing, no? So, pag pinactors po kasi natin itong perfect square trinomial na ito, so, ito po ang factors niyan eh. X minus 1/2 times the quantity x minus 1/2. Kung mapapansin nyo po, pareho po yung nasa loob ng quantity. So, ang ginawa natin, isa na lang po ang kinopya natin. Ito po yan. Then, in-square na lang po natin. So, ibig sabihin, itong quantity x minus 1/2 squared, katumbas po ng dalawang ganito. Okay. So, burahin po muna natin ito bago tayo mag-continue. Then, copy the equal sign. Okay, so equals 3. Then, plus. Okay, so expand po natin ito. Quantity, 1/2 squared. So, dalawa pong ganito yan, no? 1/2 times 1/2. Okay, so 1 times 1, that is 1. Then, over 2 times 2, that is 4. Then, quantity, x minus 1/2, okay, squared, no? Is equals to Okay, so i-transform po natin ito into a single fraction. Okay, so gamitin po natin ito na least common denominator. So we have 4, least common denominator. So may 1 po yan dito. So 4 divided by 1 is 4 times 3, that is 12. Then copy the plus sign. So 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 1, that is 1. So quantity x minus 1/2 squared is equals to 12 plus 1. So that is 13 over 4. Then, extract po natin yung square roots, both sides. Okay, so maglalagay po tayo dito ng square root. Then, dito rin po, maglalagay tayo ng square root. So, mag-add po tayo dito ng positive and negative sign. Okay, so bakit po tayo nag-add ng positive and negative sign dito? So, ini-indicate po natin na yung dalawa pong square root na nasa right side ay meron pong positive and negative sign. Okay? So, ibig sabihin po, ito pong positive and negative sign, ini-indicate po na dalawa po ang square root. Then, i-cancel na po natin, no? Ito po, square root of 2 and yun pong 2. So, we have x minus 1/2 is equals to positive, negative. Then, paghiwalayin po natin to, no? Pwede pong isulat ng ganyan yan. Square root of 13 over square root of 4. Okay, so i-continue po natin dito sa kabila. Then, x okay, so i-transpose po natin itong negative 1/2 dito sa right side. So, negative 1/2 become positive 1/2. So, equals, positive na po siya, no? 1/2, positive, negative. So, square root of 13 over, so perfect square po yung 4. So, magiging 2 na lang po yan. Okay? So, we can solve na for x of 1. Okay, so pwede na po nating isolve, no? X of 1 is equals to, unahin po natin, gamitin po natin yung positive. Okay, so kunin po natin ang least common denominator nito, 2. Then 2 divided by 2 is 1 times 1. So we have 1. Then copy, no? Positive sign, uunahin natin. Then 2 divided by 2 is 1 times square root of 13. So we have square root of 13. Okay, so ito po yung x of 1 natin. Then, x of 2. Okay, so i-copy po natin ito. Equals 1/2. Then, copy the negative sign naman po. Then, square root of 13 over 2. Okay, so x of 2 is equals to, okay, so kunin po nating least common denominator, yung 2. So, 2 divided by 2 is 1 times 1 is 1. Then copy the negative sign. Then 2 divided by 2 is 1 times square root of 13. So we have square root of 13. Okay, so ito po ang x of 2 natin. Okay, so solution is equals to, so x of 1, we have 1 plus square root of 13 over 2. 1 plus square root of 13 over 2. And x of 2, we have 1 minus square root of 13 over 2. So, 1 minus square root of 13 over 2. Okay, so ito na po ang sagot natin. Okay, so palagi lang po nating tatandaan, no? Re-reviewin lang po natin dito ulit, no? Medyo nakakalito kasi dito. Okay, so mag-a-add po tayo, no? Ng positive sign, then kukunin po natin yung coefficient ng x. Okay, so 1 po yung coefficient, kinapin natin dito, then over 2, so palagi po talagang may over 2. Then i-square po natin ang result, so palagi pong i-square ang result. Okay, so yun lang po ang palagi nating tatandaan. So example number 2, 2x squared is equals to 3x plus 9. Okay, so let's start the solution. So 2x squared Okay, so i-transpose po natin o transpose po natin itong 3x dito po sa left side. So, positive 3x become negative 3x. Then, equals 9. Then, divide both side of the equation by 2. So, i-divide po natin ito ng 2. Okay, so 2. Okay, so magkakaroon po yan dito ng 2, no? Okay, 2 and 2. Lahat po yan. Okay, so makakancel po ito. Then, ang matitira po dito is mali. Okay. So, matitira po dito is x squared. Then, minus 3x over 2 is equals to 9 over 2. Okay? Then, x squared minus 3x over 2. So, katulad po ng ginawa natin sa example number 1, mag-a-add po tayo no, ng plus sign dito. Then, kukunin po natin yung coefficient ng x. Okay, so meron pong 3. Then, over 2. Then, meron po tayong over 2 din na ilalagay dito. Okay. Then, i-square po natin ang results. Okay. Then, equals, so 9 over 2. Okay. So, kung ano po ang in-add natin dito, okay, sa left side, i-add din po natin dito sa right side. Then, plus, then 3, over 2 times 2. We have 4, no? Times na po natin. Then, square the results. O, I mean, squared. Then, x squared minus 3x over 2 plus 3 over 2 times 2. So, we have 4, no? Squared. So, equals, then, 9 over 2 plus, okay, so expand po natin to, no? 3 times 3, so we have 9 over, so 4 times 4, so we have 16. Then, i-factors po natin. Okay, so nabuo na po natin yung perfect square trinomial dito. Okay, so kunin po natin yung factors. Okay, so we have quantity. Okay, so extract po natin yung square root ng first term. So x squared. So we have x. Then copy the negative sign. Then, ito po, extract natin yung quantity 3 over 4 squared. So, matitira po dito is 3 over 4. Then, i-squared po natin. Okay, equals. Then, okay, so transform po natin to into a single fraction. Then, ang least common denominator po natin dito is 16. So, we have 16. So, 16 divided by 2. So, we have 8 times 9. So, that is 72. Then, copy the plus sign. So, 16 divided by 16 is 1 times 9. That is 9. Okay, so i-continue po natin dito. Okay. So, quantity x minus 3 over 4 squared is equals to 72 plus 9. So, that is 81 over 16. Okay. So, extract po natin yung square roots, both side. Okay. So, magkakaroon po tayo dito ng positive and negative sign. So, makakancel na po ito yung squared tsaka square root. So, matitira po dito is x minus 3 over 4 is equals to, then, positive and negative, square root of 81, no? Perfect square po ito, 9. Then, over, square root po ng 60, no? Perfect square po yan. So, that is 4. So, x, okay, so transpose po natin yung negative 3 over 4 dito po sa right side. So, magiging positive 3 over 4 na po ito. So, equals positive 3 over 4, then plus, minus 9 over 4. Okay, so pwede na po nating isolve yung x of 1 dito. Okay, so x of 1 is equals to, so ang least common denominator natin is 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 3, so we have 3. So unahin po natin yung plus. Then 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 9, so we have 9. Okay, so x of 1 is equals to 3 plus 9, we have 13 over 4. So, burahin lang po natin yung dito. Nagkamali tayo. So, x of 1 is equals to 3 plus 9 is 12 over 4. Then, x of 1 is equals to 12 divided by 4 is equals to 3. Then, x of 2 so we have 3 over 4 equals then minus 9 over 4. Then x of 2 is equals to, okay, this common denominator, we have 4. Then 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 3, so we have 3. Then copy the minus sign. Then 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 9, so we have 9. Okay. So x of 2 is equals to 3 minus 9, so we have negative 6 over 4. Then, pwede po nating i-reduce ito into lowest term. Okay, so dito na lang po natin isolve sa taas. Okay, so x of 2. So we have negative 6 over 4. Then, ang factors po nito is negative 6. So we have negative 3 times 2 over, this is 2 times 2. Then, canceled. So, x of 2 is equals to negative 3 over 2. Okay, so ito po ang ating sagot, x of 2. Then, solution. Okay, so x of 1, we have 3. Then, x of 2, so we have negative 3 over 2. Okay, so ito po ang ating sagot. So marami pong salamat sa kanilang panonood, and don't forget to like and subscribe.